Hello, hello. So today we are going to learn how to divide radical expressions. Number one, square root of 9 over square root of 25. Now notice that our radicands, both numerator and denominator, are perfect square. So what we're gonna do is simply get the square root of those two. So square root of 9 is 3, and then square root of 25 is 5. So this is our quotient in dividing these two radicals. Let's proceed to number 2. We have square root of 15 over square root of 12. Okay? 12 is not a perfect square. So basically, it is irrational. Now, let's take a look on the numerator. Square root of 15. We will try to find one of the factors of 15 is a perfect square. Can we find one? No, there's none. So it will remain this way. Okay? What about our denominator? Square root of 12. Now, let's find one of the factors is a perfect square. So there is. That's 4 times 3, where 4 is a perfect square. So we're going to do this way. So we have square root of 15 over square root of 4 times 3. Okay, so we have square root of 15 over square root of 4 is to put it outside the radical sign if it is a perfect square. So 2 square root of 3. Now, we came up with still irrational. Okay, it's irrational if our denominator has a radical sign. So what we're gonna do, we are going to make the denominator into rational, or shall we say rationalize the denominator. So we are going to multiply both numerator and denominator by square root of 3. Square root of 3, square root of 3. We did not change the value. We just rationalized the denominator, okay? Because square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 is 1. 1 times any number is the number itself, okay? So take note, we're not changing the value. We're just rationalizing the denominator here. Next, let's multiply. So square root of 15 times square root of 3 is square root of 45, okay? Over 2 square root of 3 times square root of 3, you multiply only this one, and then multiply 1 and then 2. So that would be 2 square root of 9, which is equal to, find the factors of 45 in which one of the factors is a perfect square. So we have square root of 9 times 5 over 2 times 3. Why 3? Square root of 9 is 3. Okay? Now, let's get the square root of 9. So 9 is, square root of 9 is 3. So put it outside the radical symbol or sign. And then 3 square root of 5 over 2 times 3. You can reduce. Okay, that will become 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So what is left? You have square root of 5 over 2. Now, this is now a rational answer. I want you to answer number 3 by yourself. Square root of 4 divided by 4, square root of 5. Have a good day.